Choosing the right biological microscope can be challenging. Poor magnification, unclear images, unstable focus, and lack of digital support often limit learning and research. That's why a quality biological microscope matters. It delivers sharp magnification, accurate color reproduction, stable viewing, and reliable illumination. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best biological microscopes designed for students, laboratories, education, and professional use. We analyzed specifications, user feedback, and real-world usability to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart science and tech reviews. Number 5. XSP Monocular Optical Microscope. The XSP Monocular Optical Microscope is a beginner-friendly biological microscope designed for school science and early biology experiments. It offers a wide magnification range from 64x to 2400x, allowing students to observe cells, tissues, and microorganisms clearly. The monocular optical system delivers sharp visuals, while LED illumination ensures consistent brightness. Its simple controls make it ideal for children and beginners learning microscopy basics. Durable construction and educational performance make this microscope a solid entry-level choice for classrooms and home study. Number 4. Andonstar AD249M Digital LCD Microscope. The Andonstar AD249M stands out with its large 10-inch LCD display, combining digital microscopy with biological observation. It includes 3 interchangeable lenses, making it suitable for soldering, inspection, and biological samples. The high-resolution digital imaging allows comfortable viewing without eye strain, while image and video capture support documentation and learning. Designed for adults, students, and hobbyists, this microscope is perfect for users who want a modern digital experience alongside traditional biological microscopy features. Number 3. OSEELANG Zoom 2000X Biological HD Microscope. The OSEELANG Zoom 2000X microscope is built for students and lab education, offering high-definition biological viewing with up to 2000x magnification. It comes with 13 useful accessories and an electronic eyepiece for digital observation and recording. LED illumination provides bright and even lighting, while USB connectivity allows easy connection to computers. Its monocular design keeps operations simple while delivering sharp details, making it an excellent option for educational labs, home study, and beginner research work. Number 2. Tomlov 301 Max Digital Biological Microscope. The Tomlov 301 Max is a feature-rich digital biological microscope designed for students and young researchers. It supports up to 1200x magnification and includes an XY mechanical stage for precise slide movement. The 7-inch display, HDMI output, and Wi-Fi connectivity make it perfect for group learning and screen sharing. Clear digital imaging, smooth focus control, and solid build quality make this microscope ideal for classrooms, online teaching, and interactive biology exploration. Number 1. Eakins 1000X Lab Medical Biological Microscope. The Eakins 1000X microscope is a professional-grade biological instrument built for laboratory, medical, and scientific use. It features high-quality achromatic lenses that deliver excellent clarity and accurate color reproduction. Available in binocular or trinocular configurations, it supports optional camera integration for imaging and video recording. With precise focusing, stable construction, and powerful illumination, this microscope is ideal for serious students, researchers, and professionals who demand reliable performance and advanced observation capabilities. A good biological microscope makes learning and research more accurate and enjoyable. These 5 models cover everything from beginner education to professional laboratory use, offering clear magnification, digital features, and solid build quality. Choose the one that fits your needs and comment below with your favorite. Subscribe for more smart science and tech reviews.